Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here. I am so excited because I actually have some laundry detergent to talk about today, as well as some candles I ordered online and a online exclusive. So again, thank you so much for joining me. Let's go ahead and get this party started. The first thing I want to talk about is these laundry detergent and scent boosters. So these are available online, friends, okay? They're available online and in some stores. Not all the stores have them. And if you're in my area, friends, they do have these at the Arden Fair Mall in California if you're looking for them near me in Elk Grove. But yeah, I got these. I'm so excited, you guys, because these are... Okay, so when we have the sample sent to us, by the way, I'll go over the scent in just a moment. But remember the sample, which I really appreciate getting the sample. When these were first launched, we got the choice of, I think, 4 or 5 scents. And I wish I would have kept the packaging so I could refer back to it. But I'm pretty sure I got 1,000 wishes. I'm pretty sure I did. So myself, and I use a lot of different... Okay, when I use my laundry soap, I mentioned it when I reviewed the sample, I use a lot of soap in my dispenser. Okay, so I never go over the dispenser, but I use more than I should probably with my soap because I just feel like the need to. So just like I wash my hands all the time, I use a lot of hand soap. And so I, with 1,000 Wishes, didn't smell anything when I did the load. I used the whole soap for one load and it just didn't smell anything. So, my thought is that let's try something different. Let's try, because you know how different candles, some are stronger than others, different body scents, and as far as Bath and Body Works goes, some are stronger than others, and I'm going to use an example as candles, right? So some are a 6 as far as throwing, some are a 10 as far as throwing. So I thought it'd be a good idea to try a new scent and see how it works. On top of that, I want to try the scent booster with it to see if that really elevates the experience of having the scent last longer and also smell it. So I'm hoping that by choosing a different scent, 1,000 Wishes is more perfumey, and this is one I chose is very much a very clean one. Okay, so online they have a whole bunch of options to choose from, but they also, remember Christmas time, I wish I would have ordered the Christmas ones to try those out. I was thinking about doing it, I never did, but anyways, I got Morning Rain, you guys. So here we have the scent boosters. It says, on our fragrance boosters add loads of fragrance to your laundry with perfumer created fine fragrance to reimagine what clean laundry smells like. High efficiency, works in cold water, and it tells you how to open up this lid. I can't close this lid back up until I use the crystals, the little scent beads, because there's some that are on the top because I was smelling it. So I got to put it in here and then put it in my load, and then I'll be able to close the lid. But talk about how ergonomically designed these are, and super fancy and modernistic and streamlined. So, and I'll go over this in just a moment, what I think is really great about this. But let me show you the scent beads, and it smells so good. Oh, this smells so super clean. It's Morning Rain. It's orange flower, soft musk, and fresh raindrops. Okay, so this to me smells a lot like Downy. I use the Downy fabric softener, so to me it reminds me of Downy fabric softener. I love that clean scent. Let me show you what the scent beads look like. They almost look like Epsom salt a little bit. They're not circular like a lot of scent beads are on the market. These are almost like little cubes. It's really interesting. Let me put my glasses on to make sure we can see in the video here. But yeah, they look like that. I don't know if it's showing, but they're like that. So there's that. So that's what they look like. I was imagining them being circular and flat, so that's surprised me when I saw that. But it also has on the inside a 1 and 2 to gauge how much you need for your load. It's a little marker on the inside, and these are $19.95 each. And let me go ahead and put the beads back in there as best I can, and then it'll just, like I said, I have to put those, that's in there right here. Those are supposed to be inside there, so because I was smelling it, so I haven't put in my load yet. But there is the Morning Rain in the Fabric Care Fragrant Booster. The laundry detergent. Okay, so I want to show you the price tag here on the bottom too, $19.95. What I love about this, it is concentrated, so you're going to need less, right? Because it's concentrated. Look how tiny this is in comparison to, like, you know, like I buy the big size soaps, you know, laundry soap. So this is teeny tiny in my opinion, but it's concentrated, so it's supposed to be stronger, you know. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some loads and then come back to you guys and review my experience. I'm gonna do a load with just this, the Morning Rain detergent, and then a load with both of these and see if there's a difference, like a real strong difference as far as the scent goes. And then I'll let you guys know. I'll kind of play around with it and see what I feel like is the best for me in my laundry, like how I experienced it. And, you know, I'll let you know how strong it is, how it was for me. But this says, our concentrated formula combines the science of stain fighting with perfumer created, again, fine fragrance mist. Okay, so washes up to 64 loads, concentrated formula, high efficiency, and it says it cleans in cold water. Again, it tells you how to open the lid, and test for color fastness on inside seams using cap. Fill the line 1 for small wash loads and line 2 for your large wash loads. Then in asterisk on small print, it says 64 small wash loads measured to line 1 in cap, or 32 large wash loads measured to line 2 in a cap. So let me open this up and I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. I love this scent. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay, so again, this is what the cap looks like. And then here's kind of like what it looks like. I don't want to spill any out, but you know, like that. Okay, so yeah, I think it's, I think that this is, and then and I like that it has like a, it's almost like wearing a sleeve. It's like got this like, not material, it kind of could be, it's like a plastic, like covering over the bottle, but I love the style of it, the ombre effect to it. And you know, different bottles will have different colors, obviously, that go with the scent and that type of thing. But here's that. So stay tuned, friends. I'll be back with another review of these once I do some loads of laundry and see how it performs for me, okay? Because I want to let you guys know and give you my opinion on that. So there is that. Next up, I have some candles. Now, this might be old news for you guys, but for me, I just got this order in. So I am wanting to show it to you because I want to show you what I ordered. So I got root beer float. Yes, honey. I know I've been showing it in a lot of walkthrough videos. It's still available in a lot of stores. It didn't sell out. I'm so surprised. I really am. It is so good. It is like, this is like, okay, this is like up there with Paris Cafe Strong, okay? It is. So there's that. This is fantastic. Like, absolutely takes me back to my childhood. It reminds me of those candy barrel, root beer candy barrels. They're like, you know, wrapped in cellophane and they're like hard, and they're hard candies. It just reminds me of that. I don't really pick up like the float part of it. I just pick up like I open, you know, I'm drinking a can of root beer soda. That's what it reminds me of. So there's that. And then, so I know I've talked about this one too. Pink gumball. I want to keep calling it like pink bubble gum, but it's pink gumball. And it's nice to have it in my hot little hands, you know? And it's really strong in my house. In store, it's not as strong. And I think it's just because there's so much, my brain is like, there's a lot of scents going on in the store. So there's a lot. And then, but in my house, it's really strong. So I would rate this like a 7 or 8, okay, the pink gumball, and this is like a 10 or 11. So those are the two I want to show you, limited edition, and I just got one of each because I wasn't able to make it in the store that day, so I didn't know if I was going to love it or not, and I was thinking in my head I would, but, you know, anyways, $26.95. This is rainbow gumdrops, sugared vanilla, and pink spun sugar, and then root beer float is scoop of vanilla ice cream, root beer, and caramel drizzle. Okay, so this one's like the talk of the town on the internet. This one is, a lot of people are loving this one. So I can't wait to try that out. Okay, next up, by the way, I'm loving this. I just started burning this, the Happy Easter daffodil. Oh my gosh, I love it. Daffodil Daydreams is good. All right, next up, we got another thing to show you. So I ordered this online exclusive. It is the Rio Pineapple Mango. Okay, this is really, really good, friends. You know, I really wish all the stores would carry these, because it's such a good scent, and I think this would really sell really well. So it's an online exclusive. We have in the background, like, it looks like the ocean and the palm trees, and it's really pretty and abstract, and it's delicious scented. The first note I pick up is juicy mango, and then the pineapple. It says body wash with pro vitamin B5 and aloe. And so, yeah, I had a coupon for this, so this was completely free online. But yeah, I wanted to show you I got that as well. 2 thumbs up for this one. And it is fresh pineapple, juicy mango, and there's also vine ripened raspberry. Even though it says pineapple mango, there's also vine ripened raspberry in there as well. So anyways, you guys, that is my little haul today. I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, stay tuned. I'll be back to let you know what I think of these. That'll be fun to try out. And I really appreciate you guys being here so much. And I will see you very soon, friends, with another store walkthrough, haul, or both. So till next time, take care and God bless. I'll see you soon, friends. Happy shopping. Happy shopping. I'll see you soon. Love you guys. Bye. See you soon. Bye.